Hey, in this video, I'm going to help you learn how to make healthy decisions consistently now and for forever. Here's why. The reason that you make poor decisions with your food, with your exercise program, and I'm not blaming you, this is all of us, we all do this, including myself. The reason that we make these poor decisions is we have not established a firm set of what we call personal values that allow us to, in the face of wanting to make a bad decision, override that bad decision and make a better, more life-supporting decision. Now, why this is important right now, this is the coronavirus times. You may be watching this later on. Hopefully there is a magical cure. However, 90% of the people in the hospital are there because they have what were called comorbidities, meaning they have some other pre-existing health condition. One of my favorite medical experts in the entire universe, his name is Chris Kressner. He has scientifically proven that nearly all of the comorbidities that people are here in the hospital that have this are preventable through lifestyle, nutrition, and exercise. Think about that. So 90% of the people who are in there have comorbidities, and if most of those people had a different lifestyle, a different nutritional behavior, and a better exercise plan, they would actually not be in the hospital. Of course, this does not apply to everyone. There are people that have certain things, autoimmune disorders, cancer and such, that probably may or may not be prevented with diet and exercise, though those things are proven to help. When I'm talking about high blood pressure, right? Obesity, cholesterol, plaque, stroke, all these different things that have scientifically been proven that science, exercise, diet, and lifestyle can prevent. Yet, we know these things. Obesity has never been higher, right? More people are dying of systemic inflammation from heart disease, lung disease, all of these things. So, we have all this amazing science. Why is no one doing it? Because we consistently make poor decisions. We consistently engage in non-life supporting behaviors. It works like this. This may be your story. This is my story. I wake up, I go, today's my day. I'll work out, I'm gonna eat healthy, I'm gonna lose 20 pounds, I'm gonna feel amazing, right? However, I'm extremely tired. So I just go into my routine, smash my 75 ounces of coffee in a big gulp cup, and I'm hungry. So I have to go quick because I'm rushed, stop at the gas station, and then from there, the snowball effect. So I got to ask myself, why, though I wanted to get in shape, I wanted to eat healthy, did I still make poor decisions? And it goes back to what I said at the beginning of the video, is we haven't established a higher set of personal values. A higher set of personal values, and what that means and how it translates to you and how this is going to benefit your life in the next 3 minutes. What you can do, right? A higher set of personal values means that you are willing to engage in healthy life-supporting behaviors because you value health, you value wealth, health is wealth, right? Above momentary pleasures. Think about that. So the reason that someone like me in that scenario wants to drink all that coffee, wants to eat those bad foods, is because I haven't established deep within me this higher set of value that I value health. What I value in that situation is the quick rush of energy, is the quick fix, is the stimulation. Now, this does not apply to addicts. If you are addicted to coffee, if you are addicted to food, you are driven by some sort of phenomenon of craving, which is an allergy of the body. However, most of you are not addicts. Most of you are not addicts. Most of you just lack personal values. And here's how you get them, folks. Here's how you get them, is you need to set an intention. You need to realize that waking up and telling yourself, I want to get in shape today, is not going to be good enough. The reason is you haven't assigned a deep emotional value to that, right? Why do you want to get in shape? What does it mean to you? What does being in shape mean? We got to build up these personal values. So here's what I want you to do. This is the takeaway from this video, is what you're going to do. It's very, very easy. You can do this. I 100% believe in you. I know you can. I just want you to take a moment. After this video, pause. Why do you want to get healthy? Ask yourself that. Assign a lot of value to that. I want to get healthy because, I want to live a long time. I want to enjoy my kids. I want to enjoy this new house that I just bought. I want to be able to run and walk. I don't want to have pain. I don't want to be debilitated in a wheelchair. I don't want to be stuck on a ventilator, right? And the more serious you get and the more you assign these high-level emotional traits and values, the more likely you are to be engaged in the decision. So, once you have done that, what is going to happen, and this always happens with any decision, is you're going to encounter resistance, right? So I have this huge emotional value. I know I want to be healthy because I want to help as many people as possible. There's going to be resistance. Something during the day is going to want to pull me away from my workout program. It's going to tempt me to eat whatever bad foods I don't want to eat. It's in that moment when I'm facing resistance that I need to make the decision again to be healthy. right? I need to make the decision again to be healthy. I'm going to remind myself in the face of resistance why I wanted to be healthy in the first place. Hey, coach, you want to eat this pizza? Nah, I want to be healthy because I want to live a long time because I want to help as many people as possible do the same thing. Boom. 5 seconds later, man, I want to eat that pizza. No, I don't want to eat that pizza because I want to live a long time to help as many people as possible. Keep making the decision over and over again, folks. Make it every 5 seconds if you have to. However, what you will see is the more that you reinforce this behavior, making these right decisions, building these proper values, the easier it gets, right? Someone on my level, I don't necessarily have to think about today I'm going to work out, right? It's a habit. It's an ingrained value. It's something that just happens. You can get there, I promise, but it will require a little bit of effort, and the effort comes in this. To recap, what I want to do is I want to set a decision to be healthy, right? I want to assign emotional values. I want to make it a priority. Establish this value. I want to be healthy. I want to be pain-free. I want to live life. I want to enjoy life. I want to be able to travel. I want to be able to walk in Europe. Whatever it is, find reasons. Make reasons. Make a firm decision. Reinforce that decision as much as humanly possible. Do it as much as it takes, right? You're going to encounter resistance. Make sure in that moment of resistance that you are reinforcing your decision over and over and over again. And I'll end with this. I'll end with this right here. Just be honest. You're going to fail, right? You're going to fail. You're not going to be, no one makes perfect decisions all the time. Don't let setbacks snowball. Don't say just because I had one piece of pizza, I'm going to have to binge eat the rest of the day, rest of the week. Don't worry about it. You're going to fail. I know that's hard truth, but you're going to fail. But remember, success is not defined by failure. Success is defined by your ability to bounce back and overcome obstacles. So if you want to be healthy for the rest of your life, you need to keep making these decisions in the face of resistance. Let go of the pain and suffering that comes with defeat. It will happen. However, find resilience, keep building yourself up. Okay? Folks, look, the reason I'm telling you this is because this is important. This is what will actually get you in shape. I promise you that going online, reading motivational videos, watching funny YouTube stuff, doing cooking shows, all this nonsense is not going to help you. Because if it was going to help you, guess what? It would have helped you already. You wouldn't be watching this. Here's the problem. You know all the stuff you need to know. You know exactly what to do, yet you're not doing it. I'm calling you out. Why? Well, look. And this is tangent, but I just want to end with this. Look. I've been in this business my entire life, much longer than most people have even worked out. This is what we've done. We've designed ways to trick you. We want to seduce you with frothy emotional appeal to get you to buy shit, okay? I want your money. I want you to buy my cookbook, workout program, workout device, whatever it is. However, you're not going to buy the hard truth. You ain't going to buy that you're going to fail. You're not going to buy that have to redecision, make priorities. You're not going to buy work. Who the hell is going to buy that? No one. That's why they don't tell you. That's why you buy stuff, you don't get any results. So if you want to get results, you want to be fit forever, you got to give yourself the hard truth, you got to lay down the law, you got to take the time, you got to invest. Why am I telling you this? Because I care about you. I want to see you get in shape. I don't need to sell you anything. I don't have a fancy product that you need to buy. There's nothing there. This is just the truth. It's the real, vulnerable, honest truth, and the reason that America, especially America, is in a complete crisis is because we're fat and lazy. Let's be honest. Fat and lazy, and we make poor decisions on a consistent basis. And I'm not putting myself on a pedestal. I put myself at the bottom of the pedestal. I guarantee you I've struggled more with food, more with exercise addiction than than most people watching this. So I get it. I'm not saying that I'm immune to this. I'm saying what I've done is I've come up with a system, a way, a structure to essentially keep moving forward despite the setbacks, despite the challenges. And I know that if you adopt some of these principles, some of these systems, you too actually will be able to get in amazing shape, live a super healthy life, be happy. Not have to buy all these products, not feel the urge to have to go on these crazy diets because you'll be in shape and you will be steadily there, okay? It's the honest truth, folks. It does work. I've seen it work. It's working for a lot of people right now, and I'm super, super happy that this is working. It's blowing my mind how amazing this is. I have clients that used to work with me in person now are actually getting in better shape with these videos and all this content, which is, it's sort of ego crushing, but at the same time, it's amazing. Because it's like, this works. This works. This really does work. And we have a saying, it works if you work it. So you got to work it, folks. So with that, make sure today you go ahead, find those reasons, find those values, drive them home, make that decision, keep making that decision all day. If you have questions, please let me know. This video is on YouTube. If you can, like and subscribe. That helps get the message to as many people as possible, because there are a lot of people who don't have access to this material. They don't know that I exist. They have no idea what's going on, but they do want to get healthy, and they do want to get in shape, and think you can help them. You can help them. Okay? So with that, I'm Coach Russo, and this is You'll Be Fit Forever. Peace.